All right, let's talk about a plant that's got this incredible history, but is also super relevant today. I'm talking about Gotu Kola.
So, get this. It's often called the herb of longevity. And that's not just some catchy marketing slogan, right? It's a name that comes from centuries of folklore and tradition. It really makes you think, where on earth did a name like that come from?
Well, the story goes that in Sri Lanka, where it's from, elephants, these amazing animals known for their super long lives and incredible memories, they supposedly seek this plant out. They eat it. The legend is that this little herb is their secret to living so long.
Okay, so the legends are pretty cool, but there's a very practical side to this too. Gotu Kola has this really respected history in traditional medicine. So let's dive into what people have been using it for, because honestly, it's just as impressive as the elephant story.
Yeah, for centuries, traditional practices have pointed to three big benefits. First up, enhancing memory and brain power, which, totally connects back to that elephant legend, right? It's all about supporting brain health. Then there's reducing anxiety. It's supposed to give you this sense of calm, but without knocking you out like a sedative. And last but not least, it's really known for helping out with skin health. Apparently, it has compounds that help with collagen production, which is key for helping your skin repair itself. So yeah, it's pretty amazing for both your mind and your body.
And here's what's so cool about it. This isn't just some ancient herb you can only read about. You can actually bring it into your own life pretty easily. So let's talk about how you can take this plant from your own garden and turn it right into a cup of tea.
So are you thinking you might want to try it yourself? I mean, the best part is how surprisingly simple it is to grow and prepare. That's a huge part of its charm, really. It's a fantastic way to actually, connect with the plant and its history firsthand.
Okay, so here's the game plan. Super simple. First, you just plant the seeds somewhere warm and humid with a bit of shade. It absolutely loves that kind of spot. Then, once the plant gets going, it looks healthy, you can start harvesting the leaves. Just give them a good rinse, and then you just steep them in hot water for a few minutes. That's it. You get this wonderfully calming drink. It's a really nice, simple ritual to have.
But, growing this and drinking the tea, it's about more than just the physical benefits. It kind of connects you to a bigger idea, right? There's a whole story packed into every single one of its leaves.
And that's really the main takeaway here. Every single plant has a story. You think about Gotu Kola. From that powerful nickname to its traditional uses to the legend surrounding it, it's just the perfect example of the rich history we can find in the nature that's all around us.
So that kind of leaves us with one last thought. Yeah, we've been talking about Gotu Kola, but this idea is so much bigger. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? What stories are waiting for you out there? Maybe in your own garden, or even just in the park down the street.